Hey guys, my name is Jolly and welcome to my channel. For today's video, it is going to be an unboxing video. I have just received a package from Princeton brushes and we are going to open it today. So, this is not a sponsored video, but these were brushes that were sent to me for free so that I can try their brushes. So I asked if they can send some samples for me to try because I've tried the Princeton Heritage brush and I did love that line, and I'm really curious about the other lines that they have, so I sent them a message. And of course there's a note. Let me just read it. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you what's inside. Of course, there's foam inside to protect the brushes. Wow. Oh, wow, I'm so excited. Okay, I think I need to change the camera angle so that you can see what I'm opening. Wow, so we have a travel brush from their Neptune line. This is for watercolor. It looks so nice. Let's check out the other products. Oh, this is the Aqua Elite, and this is the travel brush set. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I've been really curious about their Elite line because it looks so pointy, and I hope that it's also soft. So I'm looking at the handle, and it's not the shiny kind of metal. It looks quite matte actually, but it looks so pretty. Then let's check out the other things inside. Ooh. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, they gave me the Quill Brush. So this is a mop brush. Well, it's quite big. I don't really use a big brush, but I'm excited to try it. It looks so nice. Oh, and they have it looks like a cat's tongue brush, but they call it the oval wash. So the end is quite pointy. I guess some oval brushes are shaped like this with no pointy tip. This one has a pointy tip, and so it looks like cat's tongue. And this one is a so this is also the Aqua Elite. This is the round brush. It says here long round, so I'm not sure if they are the same. But let's check out the other things inside. Oh, they also gave me some, oh my gosh, they have a Dagger Brush. I'm so sorry, I can't contain my excitement. They have a 3/8, oh my gosh, 3/8 Dagger Brush. It's a nice size. I would often use either 1/4 or 3/8 because the size is just perfect for the size that I am painting, which is usually a 9 by 12 paper. So they gave me, so it seems like they gave me the travel brush set and also the ordinary handle brushes. Oh, so this is the Dagger Brush, and they also gave me some round brushes. I have another. Let me just compare it side by side. So I'm just gonna try to take it out. It's taking so long, so sorry. Just wanted to compare it right now. So this is a round brush, a size 8. This is the long round. So what's the difference? It could be the bristles. And oh, it seems like the long round is also it looks like it's more pointy. And look at the tip. It looks more slender, like more elongated. So maybe that's the difference. And oh, there's a rigger brush, and it's a size 10. I don't think I've ever had a size 10 for the rigger brush. I usually get the smaller size so that it's thinner, but it's interesting to get the size 10. And we have the round brushes, size 2 and 4. So let me just fix this. And oh, so excited. Oh, I already have this. This is such a nice brush. This is one of my favorites. Look at that gorgeous handle. I don't know why it reminds me of jade. It's a nice frosted glass handle. And I know that the Princeton line is a synthetic brush that mimics the squirrel hair brush. So yeah. So I'm gonna try it and just try to compare it to a natural hair brush. So we got here the size 6, and I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so you can see it. We have size 6, and this is another oval. This is an oval wash again. Looks like a cat's tongue. Then they have given me the size 10. Wow. Oh, and then they gave me a flat brush, or I'm not sure if this is called a modeler brush. Not so sure. This is 1 1/2 inch. Looks so nice. And lastly, we have the Princeton Velvet Touch. These are for the miniature paintings. Oh wow. And they gave me also a long round from the Velvet Touch line. This is an angled spotter. So I've never had an angled spotter before. It looks so cool. So weird. It reminds me of a lipstick brush. But this is so nice, and it will probably be really useful for painting miniatures. Then we have the round brush, 20/0. So this is really small. We have size 0 also. And I love the handle. It does feel velvety. Not sure if that's the reason why they put Velvet Touch, but the handle feels really different. It's not smooth. It does feel velvety. It's like there's a different texture to it compared to the other brushes that are quite shiny. So yeah, whenever I buy brushes, I actually look at the handle, because I love brushes with pretty handles. So I think this is it. Yeah, so thank you so much, Princeton. I just love the selection right here, and I hope to be able to show you guys a demo of how to use these brushes and whether I liked it or not. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. So see you in my next video. Bye.